Hi guys, it's me. I got a new pet today, so I have two pets too. My doggy. Look at him. Oh, say hi to camera. And then we found this one. It's a newborn. Birdie. Excuse me, Auntie. I'm gonna do gestures. Look, my job.
What? Darn, can't plug in.
Okay.
What? My phone? No, my post-it. Leave my phone plugged in. And now.
See him breathing. His name is Baby Lucas. Her eyes. That's all I wanted to show you. Want to go see you guys something funny? Okay. Look at that. Watch it. Ready? He has this as his gun. Because tomorrow we're gonna go have a barbecue probably. My sister's on my phone. And that's why I wanted to post this. My mom's gonna post this on Facebook. Watching my this is oh my. There's Jack. My mom.
Oh, it bit my ear.
Let me use Matthew. There's
No, quit doing that.
Sister. That's all you need to do. Well, like this video or don't like this video or probably give me like 100 likes or 1,000 subscribers if you like this video.